Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today's recipe is restaurant style gravy chicken. 500 gram chicken and marinate it with 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and combine well. Then put 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and again combine well. Marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Then 4 to 5 dry chilies and 4 to 5 cashew nuts roasted in dry pan. Take them in a bowl. Then we take 3 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. Put them in a bowl. Then we took 3 tomatoes, then 3 tablespoon mustard oil add into the pan. Then add chopped onion, fry golden brown, then add ginger garlic paste, fry for 1 minute. Then add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder and 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Add little more water and fry until oil is separated. Then add chickens. Then add red chili and cashew nut paste, add tomatoes, cook for 5 to 10 minutes. When chicken is fully cooked, add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. You can also add kasuri methi. Chicken is almost ready. It looks so delicious. You can also try at your home and let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and do subscribe to our channel. I will come up with new recipe again. Till then, take care. Bye.